Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make zucchini bread using spelt flour. This recipe is very easy to make, the bread is very delicious, and it has no refined sugar. For this recipe, you will need spelt flour, milk, olive oil, honey, vanilla extract, cinnamon powder, nutmeg powder, salt, baking soda. I also used pumpkin seeds, eggs, and of course zucchini. So I'll be grating the zucchini. Because it contains a lot of water, I put the grated zucchini on a paper towel so that the paper towel can absorb some of the water. To the spelt flour, add baking soda, salt, cinnamon powder, and nutmeg. Mix it and add some pumpkin seeds. In a different bowl, combine all the wet ingredients and mix it. Now add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix it until it's just combined. Now add the grated zucchini. I used coconut oil to grease my baking dish. So here I'm sprinkling the remainder of the pumpkin seeds on the bread. Bake it in a preheated oven. And there you have your delicious spelt zucchini bread. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.